Well, hello there, young adventurers. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if there's something out there? Maybe you've heard stories about UFOs or UAPs, those mysterious objects that people spot in the sky. Well, today we're going to talk about what to do if you ever think you see one of these strange flying objects. So first off, let's break it down. UAP stands for Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena. Now that's a big term, but it simply means something in the sky that doesn't look like a regular airplane, a helicopter, or even a drone. Now UAPs can be real tricky to identify because they don't behave like anything we usually see in the sky. So how can you tell if you're looking at a UAP? There are 5 key clues that experts use to figure out if something might be a UAP. So let's go through them one by one. Number 1, speed. UAPs can move super fast, but much faster than any airplane or helicopter. If you see something zooming across the sky, quicker than anything you've ever seen, well, that might be your first clue. Number 2, maneuverability. UAPs can make a sudden sharp turn, or even zigzag in the sky. Unlike airplanes, which follow smooth, straight paths, UAPs seem to defy gravity with the way they move. Number 3, shape. UAPs often have unusual shapes that don't look like airplanes or drones. You might see something shaped like a disc, a triangle, or something even completely different. Number 4, sound. So here's a big one. UAPs are usually really silent. If something flies by without making any noise, even when it's close, that's another sign that it might be a UAP. Number 5, light. Finally, UAPs often have strange lights that don't behave like the lights on regular airplanes. They might glow or flash in weird ways, or even change colors. So if you spot something that fits these clues, you might just be seeing a UAP. Now, what do you do if you see a UAP? Now, let's say you're out stargazing and you think you see something strange in the sky. What should you do? Well, here are some important steps to follow to keep you safe and help you share what you've seen. Number 1, stay safe. Whatever you do, don't approach anything that looks strange. Always keep a safe distance. Remember, it's really important to be safe around UAPs. Number 2, observe carefully. Take a good look at what you're seeing. Can you spot any of the 5 observables? Does it move quickly? Is it silent? What shape is it? Try to remember as many details as you can. Number 3, tell a parent or a trusted adult. As soon as you can, find a parent or a trusted adult and tell them what you saw. They can help you figure out what to do next and whether you should report it. Number 4, write it down or draw a picture. While it's still fresh in your mind, write down everything you remember about what you saw. What did it look like? How did it move? And if you're not sure how to describe it, try drawing a picture. This will help you remember and share your experiences with others. And number 5, record it from a safe distance. If you have a phone or a camera nearby, you could try recording what you see, but only if you can do it from a safe distance. Never put yourself in danger to get a closer look. So the next time you're looking up at the stars, remember these tips. Whether you see a regular airplane, a cool drone, or maybe something a little more mysterious, it's always important to stay safe, observe carefully, and share what you've seen with a parent or a trusted adult. The sky is full of wonders, and with these tips, you can explore it safely and responsibly. Hope this helps. Good work, kids.